Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Santa Rosa local and long-distance movers near me. Our movers provide all of the equipment necessary for packing your things and moving them. We value your time, so we make sure to always arrive on schedule. Our pricing is transparent, and we give you a free quote to make sure you know upfront how much our affordable services cost. Hire the licensed services of 3 Movers to protect your things while you move. So you're really set on moving far away from those wineries? Rest assured, we will help you move no matter how far you are planning on going. We have substantial experience moving precious belongings out of state and even abroad. Make sure to take advantage of our packing supplies and services that we recommend for long-distance moves. Our movers are experts in packing furniture, electronics, and other valuables that you want to keep safe during a long trip. Phew! You won't be far from those wineries after all. Moving nearby can be quite the challenge if you are doing it by yourself. Luckily, our movers at 3 Movers specialize in moving homeowners and businesses efficiently. If you are moving locally into a new home or office space, our movers can complete the move in only a few hours, making moving days stress-free. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Santa Rosa moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.